guys, it's Tessie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things TessyE. Today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. So today's video is a DIY sugar waxing at home. You know, we're in the summer right now and you can see I'm all sweaty and all. So we need to like strip all these fast growing hair out of the way, if you know what I'm talking about. So this DIY is very simple. You can see all the items in your kitchen. So this is the one I already did. Okay, so you can put it in this glass container to cool off. It's still hot. Okay, so this is the wax. Let me see if I can touch it. You can see. Okay, of using it like this. So it can be a little bit messy, but this is how it is. Okay, you can use the stripe or you can just use it by itself. I don't use the stripe, I use it itself. So I use it itself, I don't use the paper stripe or what is it called. So I'll take something like this. Okay, a mold. Okay. Right now I have a little bit of hair here. Let me show you how I will use it like this. My hair grows downward, okay? So I will have to like this. Okay. Then I flick. I don't know if you can see like this. Then I don't know if you can see, but now I will cover it up. You can see it's a little bit messy because I use it to create my thumbnail, so you can see. Okay, so I'll cover it up. Whenever I want to use it, just heat it up for about or 1 minute, okay, and then you can use your wax. You have your wax, okay, your homemade wax. This is your homemade wax. So let me show you the simple ingredients I use, step I took to achieve this homemade wax. You've seen the finished product, right? I've shown you the finished product, but let me show you the beginning